Nepal, nestled in the Himalayas, offers budget-friendly destinations that seamlessly blend natural wonders with cultural richness. Here are some economical yet enchanting places. Pokhara, picturesque city with serene lakes. Fiwa Lake and lakeside area for affordable accommodations. Budget-friendly paragliding and trekking options. Bandipur, tranquil hill town with preserved architecture. Panoramic views of the Himalayas. Budget-friendly accommodations and hiking trails. Chitwan National Park, UNESCO World Heritage Site for wildlife enthusiasts. Affordable jungle safaris, elephant rides, and cultural performances. Home to rare one-horned rhinoceros and Bengal tigers. Lumbini, birthplace of Lord Buddha, a pilgrimage site. Peaceful ambiance with well-maintained gardens. Budget accommodations, exploring sacred sites. Rara Lake, remote and pristine lake in the far northwest. Surrounded by Rara National Park, economical trekking adventure with stunning views. Gosaikunda, alpine lake in Langtang National Park. Trek through lush forests and traditional villages. Budget accommodations along the trekking route. Nagarkot, short drive from Kathmandu. With panoramic Himalayan views. Ideal for sunrise and sunset experiences. Budget-friendly guest houses for a comfortable stay. Nepal beckons budget-conscious travelers with diverse landscapes, cultural immersion, and affordable adventures, ensuring an unforgettable journey without straining finances. Whether it's the tranquility of Pokhara, cultural richness of Bandipur, or the wilderness of Chitwan, Nepal promises a remarkable experience without breaking the bank.